at what they got out here. This is crazy. Drivers meet in. Right, welcome back everybody. We have a special event for you today. We are going to have a little track day with the Mustang today, autocross. We're running in street modified today against the M3. And we're just gonna go out there. It's our first time. We're just gonna go out there, get a feel for the course, try to run a good time if we can. If not, it is what it is. I will see you when we get there. All right, so we just pulled up to the spot. We got a GT 350 out here. We got a couple Corvettes, Porsches, everything. Everything under the sun, you name it. It's getting serious out here. We got people with RC cars. That's an RC car, my opinion. They came in trailers, all that good stuff. We just registered. We are now getting everything out the cars, make sure there's nothing loose. I don't know why Tevin got so much stuff in his car, but he got everything under the sun in here. We gotta go through tech, and then we're gonna walk the course, and then we're good. We're walking the course right now so we can get to know what we're gonna do. They set us up. They knew it was our first time, and they got us out here running first. Start line, okay. He had to record the start. Come this way. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. All right. Everybody's walking the course right now. All right, so you keep it straight. So we're done walking the track. Look at what they got out here. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. We walked the track, tried to memorize what we could. Went through twice. The whole goal right now. Look at this. See, look at that. Me and my terrible letters. You're looking bad. Way up to the drivers meeting. Everybody is making their way. Drivers meet in. All right, let's get it.
It's a different one.
That man is moving. That's the speed I'm trying to take it right there. I ain't trying to break no records here. Staging lanes, kind of. 1.6s are killing the game. They are killing the game. This was killing the game too. Look at it. Come on, man. Alright, I am in the staging lanes. Got MSDC2. You see him. The Verse DJ. DJ the GOAT also. We're in the staging lanes. About to get our runs in finally. Hopefully I'll get some good GoPro footage for you. We got the lap timer on here for you guys. Helmets ready to go. want to say today was amazing. It was an amazing day at the track. Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys. Progressively got faster. Didn't get where I wanted to get. This man was driving like he stole it. So was he. We're about to get out of here. Beautiful day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna be doing stuff like this all summer. Drag strip, autocross, road racing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.